Russian salad, also known as Olivier salad, is a timeless dish that originated in Russia and has captured hearts across the globe. The medley of tender vegetables and protein creates a delightful harmony of flavors and textures. Imagine a large bowl filled with vibrant colors where each ingredient adds its own unique touch to the dish. To begin, you will need 1 cup of boiled and diced chicken breast, 1 cup of boiled and diced potatoes, and 1 cup of boiled and diced carrots. These 3 main ingredients provide a hearty base for the salad, offering a satisfying and substantial bite. Next, add 1 cup of peas, whether fresh or frozen, to bring a burst of sweetness and a tender green element that complements the other components perfectly. Half a cup of finely diced onion introduces a sharp, flavorful edge to the salad, balancing the softness of the other ingredients. 1/4 cup of diced pickles add a tangy contrast, enhancing the overall taste and making each bite more interesting. A sprinkle of freshly chopped dill, roughly 1/4 cup, weaves a fragrant herbal note throughout the dish, invoking a sense of freshness with every forkful. In a separate bowl, blend 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise with a generous pinch of salt and pepper. The mayonnaise acts as the creamy binder, enveloping the salad in a luscious coating. Pour this mixture over the combined ingredients and gently stir until each piece is thoroughly covered in a glossy, rich dressing that ties the salad together. For an optional twist, consider adding 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley just before serving. This will not only add a pop of color, but also impart an additional layer of herby freshness. Chill the salad in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together as the salad reaches its peak deliciousness. Serving it cold enhances its refreshing quality, making it perfect for gatherings or a cooling side dish on a warm day. Feel free to personalize your Russian salad by experimenting with different ingredients. Substitute the chicken with cooked sausage or ham for a unique spin, or add some grated cheddar or Parmesan cheese for an extra burst of flavor. For a lighter version, swap the mayonnaise for Greek yogurt or sour cream, which will maintain the creamy texture while reducing the calorie count. With these simple adjustments, you can tailor the salad to suit your own preferences, ensuring it becomes a favorite in your culinary repertoire. Embrace the ease and versatility of this classic Russian salad. Whether you stick to the traditional recipe or infuse it with your own imaginative touches, this dish promises to be a delightful and flavorful addition to any meal. Enjoy the process of creating and savoring your very own Russian salad, a testament to the enduring appeal of this beloved dish.